Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Blake here, and welcome back to another video on the Hive. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more of keyboard and mouse sounds with a little bit of commentary. One thing that I finally learned, like I said, that I was going to try learning was how to... Well, I learned how to long bridge, and I learned how to start the bridge with one block like that. So yeah, pretty happy about that. I know they have a bridge already over there, but I'm trying to practice this a little bit. Oh crap, they got a sword. There we go. Okay, let's head over for yellow. I hate this map so much because the snow gets in your way every time you try to build something. Okay, easy yellow. Okay, buddy. I also learned how to do that. I might need a pickaxe for their treasure. And they have chain armor. So I don't say we go for them just yet. I don't know why orange is trying to protect cyan, but okay. This is bad. He has iron armor and everything. Still wanna fight? Let's fight. By the way, it's very possible that orange and blue were teaming. Because, look, they pushed each other. Or, I don't know, to be honest, actually. Come on. GG's.